Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw fiat from Binance. Let's start! So you can also do this from Binance App, which you can install in your smartphones, or you can do this via Binance.com to your desktop. So we are now in our dashboard, provided that we've able to log in and have answered all authentication. I'm going to show you how to withdraw fiat from our Binance. So first, let's go to our wallet and let's go to spot. So in some regions, you could actually see Binance would show fiat and spot. Some Binance versions would just simply say spot. So this is basically your spot wallet. So for those who are still new in cryptocurrency, we do have other video tutorials for that. So if you can just search for that one. But for now, I'm just simply gonna show you the how we're going to withdraw fiat. Of course, there are people who's gonna be asking, can I withdraw from my money from Binance? Definitely, you can actually do that. So there are two ways to do that, but most of the time you are led to this page. Just click on withdraw, and there's an option here for you to withdraw fiat, and then just select what currency that you would like to withdraw. So provided that, for example, you are in the US, or in my case, like I'm in the Philippines, so I can actually choose to withdraw Philippine peso. So it's PHP, and this will actually guide you here. So there are two ways for me to withdraw fiat. So either a bank transfer, wherein in the next page I can fill in the information of my bank, or if it's already registered or part of already on my account, the informations are already auto-populated, and then it also tells here how much fees associated. And then I can also have B2P Express, wherein it is another option for us, to have a Binance in the Philippines. So say for instance, I would hit on continue. So in this case, just for security reasons, I just want to make sure that I'm showing you which page we are in for the withdrawal of fiat. So if we do P2P, it would also lead you here. So just fill in the information that's needed and you can withdraw from your fiat from here. All right. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.